Hello everybody, welcome to An Phú Tây Primary School. I'm Trang. Today I'm very happy to teach you online lesson. Chào mừng các bạn nhỏ, chào mừng các bạn đến với trường tiểu học An Phú Tây. Cô tên là Trang, hôm nay cô rất vui được dạy các bạn tiếng học qua mạng. Okay, today we learn week 27, unit 5, He's Happy, lesson 1 and 2, exercise. Hôm nay mình sẽ học tuần 27, đơn vị bài số 5, He's Happy. Bài 1 và 2, bài tập. Okay, now let's start. Now look at this. Unit 5, he's happy. Now, lesson 1 words. Trace the correct words. Now, you use your pencil and trace. For example, this is the word happy. You use your pencil and trace. Okay. And this is the word sad. You stray. Okay. Do it. After you stray the word, read the words. Alright. And next, lesson 2. Look at lesson 2. Grammar and song. Look, say, then copy the word. Now, can you read this word? Happy. You read this word happy and then copy it. Okay, in this slide, happy. And next, thirsty. Copy thirsty. Coat. Copy coat. Now, everyone, point and say. For example, he's happy. She's thirsty. He's cold. Alright, good. And the last word for you. For example, happy. Opposite. Happy with the word sad. Mình nói vui với buồn ha. Rồi, hungry là đói bụng, mình sẽ nói với cái gì các bạn? Thirsty, khát nước. Alright, good. And hurt, các bạn sẽ nói với cold. Alright, good. That the end the exercise today. Let's do your exercise. Take a photo and send it for me by Yellow 07674066612. Alright, Miss Jen. Thank you everybody. Goodbye.